Hi, this is Katura with Blue Notary, and today we're going to be looking at our AI auto tagging feature. Now, this auto tagging feature, it helps when you have a document with a lot of places to drop tags, and it just makes it super easy for you to get this done. So let's see what that looks like. We're going to go to a new session, a remote online notarization. Now let's pick a document from a template. So we're going to choose this document and we're going to choose our signer. Now we're going to scroll down to Auto Tag Document with AI and we're going to toggle this on. And when we do this for the first time, we're going to get some information about what auto tagging is. So it helps us prepare documents faster by automatically suggesting where common notary fields and signer tags may belong. So our documents are analyzed to identify likely tag locations and suggested fields. The tags we would manually do are added to the document for us with AI. And as notaries, we can adjust everything with our in-session controls. So let's click next. So we can move, edit, or bulk remove our suggested tags when they're placed. We can add new fields at any time, and we can use the suggestions panel to review the placements, and we can continue working with the document even while the suggestions are loading. And it's great to know that as notaries, we stay fully in control of how our document is prepared. So we do have a disclaimer here that we need to review the first time we turn this auto tagging on. So as humans using AI, we are the human in the loop. We are the last line of defense in making sure that our document is prepared correctly. AI pre-tagging, auto tagging is an assistive tool only. So there's no guarantee of accuracy. It's a tool doing what it can do to help us, but we do need to check it because the AI suggestions may contain errors, omissions, or misplacements. So we need to keep that in mind, and we're accepting to using these terms. And so once we've read and we've accepted this, we can click here and press confirm. So now that has been added and turned on successfully. So let's send the invitation and go into the session to see how the AI auto tagging works. So here we are in the session and we can scroll down, and as you can see, before we have even done anything, we see that this has been added. This tagging has been done for us. We know the AI has done this because these little sparkles over here, these blue stars, show us that AI has placed this tag for us. So as we scroll down, let's see if it's placed anymore. Yes, we see these sparkles here. This signature box has been placed by AI. And we also have these text boxes put here for us. So my notarial block has been filled out by AI. Now, if you look here closely, this 26 is on top of the primary signer, but it should be here. So this is an example of, as humans, AI is doing the best it can, but it might need to be tweaked a little bit. So let's move this here and here. So now we can see both of those text boxes. And we see the notary text, things that we need to move around. Our notary seal has been placed here. So AI has done a great job of adding things that we would have had to do manually. Now we can also go here to our side panel for our AI features. And here we have information about what AI has done. It's one document. So it gives us information about what AI has done to this document. So this AI auto tagging is really great when we have documents with a lot of pages that would take us a lot of time to put seals in and tags in manually. And so Blue Notary is really trying to make us as efficient as possible and make our lives easier as notary public. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel for more remote online notary updates.